stage, showcasing their fierce looks and daring styles. Let's give a warm round of applause to our participants for their stunning Mafia-themed outfits.
Make you feel alone, and you don't have to feel that no more.
Trying to
handsome gentlemen for today. And as we continue our program, ladies and gentlemen, kitang-kita nyo naman na talaga namang nagagwapuhan ng ating mga candidates for this afternoon. And with that being said, sa unang exposure pa lang, please shout out kung sino sa tingin nyo ang dapat mapabilang sa ating Grand Finals. Nako, your bet is as good as mine. But of course, we'll be seeing more of our gentlemen in a few minutes. Meanwhile, maraming salamat po. And now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you our resident panel of judges. Ladies and gentlemen, our Senior Officer, Sales and Operations of Talents Manila. Please give it up for Miss Kate Gabin. Our second judge is a seasoned fashion stylist and designer. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Jonathan Alegre. And our third judge is the Managing Director and CEO of Talents Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Carlo N. Martin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our criteria for judging for this afternoon. Physique and body proportion, that's 40%. Personality and character, 30%. Theme presentation, 20%. Your support, audience impact at 10% with a total of 100%, mga kaibigan. But before anything else, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Felix Nial at makakasama niyo po ako ngayong weekend na to para sa ating Manila's Finest Season 11, third elimination week. And speaking of that, ladies and gentlemen, nasa ika-11 na po tayong taon ng Manila's Finest Hunks. At nais ko lang po tawagin ang isa sa ating mga unang winners noong mga nakaraang panahon. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Chester. Sir Chester, lapit ka dito. Ang isa sa ating unang sumali sa Manila's Finest, ha? Kung year 11 na tayo, sumali si Sir Chester ng 2014. Tama ba yun? Never pa sumali. Never ka ba sumali? Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Mr. Chester, alam nyo, last week, pinag-isipan niya talagang sumali dito sa Manila's Finest Hunks. Pero kailangan niya pa ng lakas ng loob mula po sa inyo, mga kaibigan. Bigyan po natin siya ng masigabong palakpakan. Siya po ang ating napaka-talented na choreographer, si Mr. Chester. And speaking of that, ladies and gentlemen, today is a special day. At saway-saway po natin siyang kantahan na... Take it away, DJ!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Chester! There you go! Naway matupad ang iyong wish na hinangad bago i-blow ang candle na ito. Maraming salamat po sa pa-cake. Ang saya pala mag-birthday dito sa Talents Manila. Nung nag-birthday ako, ang laki ng tampo ko sa Talents Manila. Walang ganun. Joke na. Kidding aside, you know, Talents Manila is very lucky and so fortunate to have you in the team. And with that being said, the success of Manila's Finest Hunks will never be possible if not because of your help as well. And with that, palakpakan po natin si Mr. Chester, ang ating choreographer. And thank you very much, and we'll be seeing more of you in a bit. Ayan, at binabati din po natin ng maligayang bati ang lahat na nagsiselebrate ng kanilang mga birthday. Happy birthday po sa inyong lahat. Alright! And now, ladies and gentlemen, bago po natin tawagin muli ang ating mga candidates, ayan, yaman din lamang na binigyan natin ng pagkakataon na batiin si Sir Chester ng happy birthday. Sir Chester, ano ang iyong dalangin or panalangin para sa taong ito?
Good health lang. Kasi parang itong mga past few months, puro mga sa mga family ko may mga sakit. So parang good health lang kayo, folks.
Ayan, good health lang. Talaga naman yung pagiging healthy, hindi yan na kahit kailanman mananakaw. At yun yung something na magiging tool natin para magawa natin ang lahat ng bagay na gusto natin mangyari sa buhay. Happy birthday sa iyo, Sir Chester. Pero kung ikaw naman ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon na makahiling ng isang material na bagay, naririnig ka ng mga boss mo, sa mga boss natin dito, baka lang naman, ano ang hihilingin mo?
Gatas.
Gatas! Marami niyan si Sir Carlo, gatas. Kaya mahal yung gatas. Sila na ba ang anak mo, Sir Chester?
Isa pa lang.
Isa pa lang. Okay. Ilang taon na?
Kaya 1 year old.
Kaka 1 year old. Happy birthday din sa kanya. Ayan, naway mas lalo pang dumami ang iyong lahi, Sir Chester. At hangad namin yan. Ayan, sa gusto mong mag-donate ng kanilang mga gatas. Pwede nyo na lang may contact si Sir Chester kung paano kayo makakapag-donate ng gatas sa kanya. Medyo kinapos na po si Sir Chester ng gatas. Ayan, yung asawa niya pala. Ayan. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, handa na ba kayo makita ang ating mga candidates? Grabe, no? Level up tayo ngayong third elimination week natin. At kahit nga Friday tayo ngayong week na to, sinamahan niyo pa rin po kami ngayong araw na ito. Kasi usually every Saturday po tayo. But for today, it's a special reason to celebrate. That's why we're having it on a Friday. And thank you very much for hanging with us, guys. And also, we prepared a lot of surprises for everybody in a bit. Especially yung ating mga candidates, marami ring inihanda para sa inyo. Binabati ko po pala at binibigyan ng pagpupugay ang ating mga resident guests, friends, watchers na every week kasama natin nanonood dito sa Isitan. Palakpakan naman po natin ang bawat isa. It's been like a family every weekend. We're seeing each other. Konting chicha, pusa-pusa, pumustahan. So naging routine na natin ito na every weekend magkita-kita tayo. At nakikita ko rin yung mga usual natin ng mga friends dito. Hinahanap ko lang yung best friend ko na laging nakatayo doon. Nawawala siya ngayon. Alright, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be seeing more of our candidates in a few minutes. And speaking of that, ladies and gentlemen, we won't keep you waiting. All of them are prepped up to really reach to the top. But how about let's tame the town a little? Let's watch them execute their elegance and confidence with something mild and sophisticated. This is once again your Manila's finest hunks, candidates wearing their formal attire. Number one. Number one is now the Darwin Castro from Pasig City.
You're moving like that, and you wear a true, but you make it so hard. I give you my heart to make it so dark. There's nothing I can do when it comes to you. Everything that I'm grabbing, I love the silence, the river going, 'cause I want you all.
which is number 2, Jay Cortavales of Sao Paulo, Manila.
See you morning, playing tricks on me in the sun.
And now talking about number 3. He's a guy Costco Chile from Barangay 73, Leon Ginto, Malate, Manila.
Tell me why you're moving like that. Now you wear shoes, but you make it so hard. I give you my heart, you make it look so dark. There's nothing you can do when it comes to you. You're taking it back. I love the silence, the river don't end, 'cause I want you out.
Number 4, Raymond Pamoni from Cavite, Sao Paulo, Manila.
See you morning, playing tricks on me in the sun.
And now on number 5, Mark Boy from Tondo, Manila.
You're moving like that. Now you wear shoes, but you make it so hard. I give you my heart, you make it look so dark. There's nothing I can do when it comes to you. You're taking up the back. I love the silence, the river don't end, 'cause I want you out.
Number 6, Steven Gomez from Cristobal, Sao Paulo, Manila. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Manila's finest arts, year 11, Big Three Gentlemen, it is Formal Attire.
Looking at a table, you're playing tricks on me in the sun. It's always
Moving like that. Now you wear shoes, but you make it so hard. I give you my heart, you're making it so dark. But it's nothing that you do when it comes to you. You're taking it for granted. I love the silence with my own, 'cause I want you all.
Wow, grabe naman mga kaibigan. Palakpakan naman natin muli ang ating mga candidates for Manila's Finest Songs. Year 11, third elimination week. Kung kanina nakita natin sila na medyo bad boy look, ngayon kitang-kita naman natin na napaka-elegante nila, napaka-gwapo sa kanilang formal attire. Palakpakan din po natin ang lahat ng mga designers na kanilang formal wear. Thank you very much, gentlemen. We'll be seeing more of you in a bit. Meanwhile, mga kaibigan, habang inaantay po natin ang ating mga candidates ngayong hapong ito para sa kanilang next exposure, ladies and gentlemen, ito, meron tayong bubuuing grupo ngayong hapong ito. Okay? Ito yung kakalaban sa Bini. Alam niyo ba yung Bini? Alam niyo yun? Kung alam niyo yung Bini, can I hear a round of applause, please? Ayan, alam nila yung Bini. So, hahanap tayo ng mga bagong membro ng isang grupo na kakalaban sa Bini. Okay? At nakita na natin ang ating mga pinipili. Ito na ang isang member natin. Halika dito, ma'am. Akyat ka na po sa stage. Ayan. Ito yan. Number 2, ang may talong sa ulo. Yan. Dito po. Akyat po tayo dito. Kailangan pa natin ng dalawa pa. Ayaw po? Ikaw na lang. Andito eh. Sino? Sino pwede? Ayun. May tinawag siya.
Ito ayaw mo, mother.
Halika dito. Hindi ka. Tropa tayo, tropa. Halika, halika. Halika na. Akin ka na dito. Sige na. Sige na. Sama ka na din. Kayong dalawa. Halika na. Para apat tayo. Apat sila doon. Tara. Di, okay lang yun. Ayan, ang ating third na... Ay, akala ko sasaktan mo ako. Huwag mo akong sasaktan. Maraming beses na akong nasaktan. Pati ba naman ikaw, sasaktan mo ako. O, akit ka na doon. Hindi kita paghuhubarin. O, isa pa. Kailangan pa natin ng isa pang member. Nawala kasi yung kaibigan ko doon eh. Sino ba pwede dyan? Isa pa. Ayan, tinuro ka. Hoy, ng Bini, dapat may unique na pangalan. Okay? May unique na pangalan. Hindi na to bansa, hindi na to beauty pageant. Dapat may unique kayong pangalan. Isang bagay na pwede niyong ihalin tulad sa inyong sarili. Halimbawa, ikaw si Popsicle, ganun. O, isip kayo ngayon ng isang bagay na pwede ninyong maging pangalan. Okay? 3 seconds to think. 3, 2, and 1. Nahin natin ang ating binibining talong. Okay, ano po ang pangalan ninyo?
Good evening, everybody. I'm Amihan.
Amihan. Pero dahil hindi maganda yung amihan, papalitan ko ang pangalan mo ng talong. Ikaw si binibining talong. Dahil ikaw ay may talong. Okay? At may talong. Joke lang po, joke lang. Okay. Si Bini number 1 ay si Bini Talong. Ikaw naman ay si...
Orduha.
Si Bini Orduha. Okay ba sa inyo yung Orduha? O ganito na lang. Lahat na lang kayo, dahil inumpisa natin sa gulay na talong, lahat kayo gulay na lang. Isip kayo ng gulay na magiging pangalan ninyo. Talong, ikaw naman ay... Abukado, di gulay yun eh. Prutas yun. Repo. Anong suggestion po ninyo? Ampalaya. Ikaw daw si Bini Ampalaya dahil naka-green ka. Okay, palakpakan natin si Bini Ampalaya. Okay? Bini Talong, Bini Ampalaya. Ikaw naman po ay si Bini
Okra.
Okra. Dahil maliit lang siya, okra siya. At malapot, okra nga. Okay, palakpakan natin si Bini Okra. Ayan. At ikaw naman po, pang-apat nating Bini, ikaw ay si Bini Berocha. Hindi, joke lang. Ikaw ay si Bini
Pechay na lang.
Pechay. Gusto niyo ba yung Pechay? Pwede? Kalabasa? Ano pa may masasuggest ninyo? Ano po yun? Patola. Parang mas bagay sa'yo yung patola. Kasi lahat sila pahaba eh. Kung magiging pechay ka, gulay ka. Masyadong ano yun, malambot. Patola. Ikaw si Bini Patola. Okay, sino nga po siya? Si Bini Talong. Siya ay si Bini Ampalaya. Ikaw si Bini Okra. At ikaw naman si Bini Patola. Ladies and gentlemen, Bini Berocha. Palakpakan po natin ang ating grupong tinatawag na natin ngayong Bini Berocha. Okay. Yun na ang pangalan ninyo ngayon. Pero kailangan pumasa muna kayo sa ating hamon. Pag sinabi nating Bini, dapat kumakanta at sumasayaw yan. Umpisahan muna natin sa pagkanta. Okay? Don't worry. Ako bahala sa inyo. Simpleng line lang ang sasabihin ninyo. Ikaw ang dialogue mo lang, or ang lyrics mo lang, ta-na-na-na-na-na-nan. Yun lang. Ano yun?
Ta-na-na-na-na-na.
Oh, napakagaling naman pala. Ikaw naman, Bini Okra. Ang iyong line naman ay, chu-chu.
Chug-chug-chug-chug.
Dalawa lang, chu-chu.
Chug-chug-chug.
Dalawa nga, yung irapat mo na naman. Okay, dalawa.
Chug-chug.
Yan, okay. At ang ating pangatlong Bini natin, si Bini Ampalaya ay ting 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 ting. Ayan, very good. At ikaw, napakasimple, di na kita papahirapan. Ang sasabihin mo lang ay ow! Oh! Ayan. Okay, palakpakan natin ang ating mga Bini Berocha. O ngayon, kakanta na tayo. Pag tinutok ko sa inyo yung microphone, sasabihin ninyo yung lyrics na sinabi ko sa inyo. Okay? Ano ulit yung sa'yo? Chuk-chuk kasi. Ano yun sa'yo?
Chuk.
Sa'yo?
Ting.
Oh!
Ayun, at sa'yo ay?
Na.
Tanana. Very good. Okay, umpisa na natin. Kakanta po tayo mga kaibigan. Okay, ready? I feel good.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
I know that I would.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
I feel good.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
I know that I would.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
So good.
Chu.
So good.
Chu.
I want you.
Ting.
Au.
Isa lang kasi yan. Okay, palakpakan natin sila mga kaibigan. Mamaya ibang version naman ang ating matutunghayan. Dito lang kayo ha. Susunod pa tayong challenge para sa inyong apat. Have a seat for the meantime, ladies and gentlemen. Ito na ang ating mga kalalakihan on their next round. Ladies and gentlemen. Baka hindi ako makauwi. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to turn up the heat as we move into the much anticipated segment. I-ready na po ang inyong mga cellphone. Our gentlemen are ready to showcase their voice and physique, embodying strength and elegance. Let's give them our full support as they take the stage in their stylish swimwear.
Now you realize that in this world we're all taught a lie. You think that women rule the world, baby, where I've been. All the things I've seen is hands across the borderline.
Once again, Manila's Finest Rocks Year 11, Season 3 or Week 3 in their sportswear.
They know strip clubs is not a meal. Wall Street and Willie Hill.
His hobbies are content creating, commercial modeling, and working out. Number 2, Jay Cortavales. And he's into graphic design. Number 3, Isagani Pascual Jr. basketball. He's also into dancing. Number 4, Raven Amori. His talents are singing and dancing. Number 5, Mark Boyd. Steven Gomez. Steven loves the dancing, acting, singing, and playing basketball. Number 6, Steven Gomez. Once again, here are our All-Star Hawks. sila mga kaibigan. Alright, so nakita naman natin sila. Nasa kanilang sports ang kanilang pinakita sa atin ngayong hapong ito. Yung isa, ano yun ha? Cellphone games yun. Thank you very much, gentlemen. We'll be seeing Grabe, no? Akala natin na ito na yun. Pero mamaya, mas may malalapang mangyayari or mas may kaabang-abang pang mangyayari. Meanwhile, speaking of kaabang-abang, tawagin na po natin ang mga miyembro ng Bini Birocha. Lapit na po tayo dito muli. Asan na si Bini Talong? Si Bini Okra? Si Bini... Sino ka nga? Ang Palaya. At si Bini Patola. Ayan ang pinakamalaki sa lahat. Si Bini Patola. Ayan na ang ating apat na Bini. Akit kayo dito. Ang ating mga Bini Birocha. Okay, dito na. O kung kanina, dito na. Yan. O, yung arrangement ulit ninyo. Kung kanina, ginawa natin yung normal version ng inyong first album, ngayon naman, gagawin natin ang sexy version ng inyong album. Okay? So, ganun pa din. O, sige, pwede mo ilagay. Ganun pa rin yung inyong mga dialogue. Ikaw ay... Ano ba yan? Tatana na tayo? Tana-na-na-na-na-na. Okay. Tana-na-na-na-na-na. Alright? Ikaw naman, ano ang iyong lyrics? Anong do-do-do-do-do? Tana-na-na-na-na-na. Ikaw naman ay si? Ano yung sayo?
Chuk, chuk, chuk.
Dalawa lang kasi. Chuk, chuk.
Chuk, chuk.
Yan, ganyan. Ikaw ay?
Ting, 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 ting.
Pataas yun, ha? Ting, 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 ting. Apat. Ting, 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 ting.
Ting, 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 ting.
At ikaw ay?
Ow, ow.
Hindi ka aso. Sex bomb ka. Hindi. Ow! Ganun lang.
Ow.
O, dapat may ganun. May kadyot.
Ow.
Yan, okay. O, gagawin na natin ang sexy version ng inyong kanta. Okay? So, yung mga lyrics ninyo, sexy version nun. Okay? Oh, yan, ganyan. Ganyan dapat.
Bayad ka ng audition.
Okay? Ready? Ikaw naman, gagawin mo. Okay? Okay, ready na ang ating Bini Birocha. Okay, sexy version ng ating kanta. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and... I feel good.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
I know that I would.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
I feel good.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
I know that I would.
Ta-na-na-na-na.
So good.
Yug, yug.
Sexy. Oo. So good. Oh, ay, hindi ganyan. Ganito na lang. Choo, choo. So good.
Yug, yug.
Magyuyug-yug ka. Ganito nga, oh. Choo, choo. Okay. So good.
Yug, yug.
So good.
Yug, yug.
I wanted you. Ting, 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 ting. Sexy na ba yun? Sexihan mo. Gilingan mo. Ting, ting. Go, ganon. So good.
Yug, yug.
So good.
Yug, yug.
I wanted you.
Ting, 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 ting.
Pinaka-sexy dapat?
Ow, ow, ow.
Naging aso na naman siya. Palakpakan mo natin natin mga Bini Birocha. Ayan. Isa pa. Mas sexy pa doon. Okay? Mas sexy pa doon. We dance na ngayon. Okay? Ready? I feel good.
Ding, 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 ding. Ow, ow.
Minanindigan niyo talaga ang pagiging aso. Ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin ang Bini Perocha. Thank you very much, ladies. Ayan, we'll be seeing more of you in a bit. Maraming salamat sa pagpapasaya sa atin dito sa Isitan. At dahil dyan, kayo naman ang papasayahin namin. Okay? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, meanwhile, habang natin po natin ang ating mga hunks, nais po namin kayong imbitahan. That's on October 5. Ngayong susunod na Sabado na po ito, hindi po ito bukas, pero sa susunod na Sabado, magkakaroon po tayo ng Christmas lighting event dito sa Isitan. So dahil ramdam na natin ang himig at diwa ng Pasko, paliliwanagin na natin ang Isitan dahil dito sa Isitan, isang pamilya tayo na nagse-celebrate ng Pasko. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I know you're all excited to see once again our hunks. Eto na, kung kanina nag-practice na tayo sa ating mga cellphones, eto na ang panahon para ilabas na inyong mga cellphones. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back our hunks in their swimwear attire. Alvin is 25 years of age.
Welcome to the bag that you can make.
sa Balok, Manila.
Walking so
namang nagagwapuhan. And for the information of everybody, our criteria for judging for this swimwear is physique and body proportion 40%, personality and character 30%, theme presentation 20%, audience impact, your support 10% with a total of 100%. And while our judges are computing and tabulating the scores, let me take this opportunity to invite everyone to our next elimination round happening on October 5, and it is Saturday. So don't miss out this opportunity, and we hope to see you again, mga kaibigan. And also, ladies and gentlemen, aside from the elimination round that we'll be having on October 5, again, we'll also be having our Christmas lighting here at Isitan. So magkita-kita po tayo. It's a big day. That's on the coming Saturday, October 5. Meanwhile, mga kaibigan, while waiting for our judges' decision, kakausapin po muna natin isa-isa ang ating mga candidates ngayong hapong ito. To get to know them well, let's have candidate number 1, please. At palakpakan naman natin si candidate number 1. Okay, kumusta ka, candidate number 1?
Ayos naman po.
Ayos naman. Si candidate number 1 ay si Alden. Tama ba? Si Alden ba daw ay nagpapatanong lang yung ating mga kaibigan doon? Si Alden daw ba ay single? Taken si Alden. So sorry mga kaibigan. Okay, eto na lang. Dahil inumpisa natin sa mga gulay kanina ang ating mga bini berocha. Okay? Kung ihahalin tulad mo ngayong sarili sa isang gulay, anong gulay ka at bakit?
Talong, kasi mahaba.
Ah, talong. Alam mo, nagulat si Bini, talong. Talong dahil siya ay mahaba. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Ano po yun? Kung naniniwala kayo, isa masigabong palakpakan? Ayan, medyo konti yung naniwala. Joke lang. Thank you very much. Hawk number 1. Now let's have Hawk number 2. Ayan, Hawk number 2. May supporter ka dun, no? Okay, kumusta ka, Hawk number 2?
Ayos naman.
Ayan, same question with Hawk number 1. Si Hawk number 2 ba ay single, in a relationship, complicated?
Single.
Single daw si Hawk number 2. Uy, yung binabantayan mo dun. Baka manakawang ka. Okay, Hawk number 2, kung ikaw naman isang gulay, anong gulay ka?
Kamote.
Kamote! Bakit kamote?
Maugat.
Maugat! Kung merong isang malaki, ito naman maugat. Palakpakan natin ang Hawk number 2 natin na maugat na kamote. Okay, now let's have Hawk number 3. Hawk number 3, okay ka lang? Medyo kinakabahan ka? Huwag kakabahan, okay lang yan. Hawk number 3, anong pangalan mo?
Sagani Pasco.
Si Sagani ay isang junior, tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Ano ang pakiramdam na maging isang junior?
Mahirap. Maayos.
Ayos naman, okay. Isagani or Junjun. Junjun, ikaw ba ay single?
Taken po.
Taken din si Isagani. Okay, kung ikaw naman ulit ay isang gulay pala. Anong gulay ka?
Siguro kamatis.
Kamatis. Bakit ikaw ay isang... Natawa siya. Bakit ka kamatis?
Makinis.
Makinis! Okay. Palakpakan po natin ang ating makinis na Hawk number 3. Meron na tayong malaki, meron ng maugat, at meron ng makinis. Hawk number 4, please. Ayan. Okay. Hawk number 4. O palakpakan ng mga supporters ni Hawk number 4. Okay, Hawk number 4, kumusta ka?
Okay naman po.
Okay naman, si Hawk number 4 ay si Raymond. Ayan, Raymond, ikaw ba ay single in a relationship, complicated?
Single po.
Single! Ayan. Ayun, mga nagpapalakpakan dyan sa taas. Okay, pero kanina pa nakita ko may ka-video call ka. Joke lang. Okay, Raymond, kung ikaw ay isang gulay, anong gulay ka at bakit?
Broccoli po, broccoli.
Broccoli, oh, wag ka. Social siya, broccoli siya. Bakit ka broccoli?
Sustansya kasi kaya...
Masustansya, kaya kung kakainin ka nila, sila ay magiging... Healthy! Okay, maraming salamat. Hawk number 4. Now let's have hunk number 5. Ayan, hunk number 5 na po tayo mga kaibigan. Si hunk number 5 ay si Mark. Mark, kumusta ka, Mark?
Okay naman po.
Okay naman. Alam mo, Mark, kung ikaw ay maglalakad sa dilim at yan ang suot mo, hindi ka mawawala at hindi ka masasagasaan. Para kang traffic sign. Okay, Mark. Single ba si Mark?
Yes po, sige.
Ayan, palakpakan ng mga single dyan. Okay, Mark, anong gulay ka naman at bakit?
Pipino.
Pipino! Bakit ikaw ay isang pipino?
Makinis tsaka sakto lang yung haba.
Makinis at sakto lang daw ang haba ng pasensya ni Mark. Okay, palakpakan po natin hunk number 5 si Mark. Okay, thank you very much, Mark. Now let's have hunk number 6. Yan, hunk number 6 si Steven. Steven, kumusta ka, Steven?
Doing good.
Doing good. Okay, Steven. Si Steven ba ay single in a relationship? Complicated?
Yes, I'm single.
Ayan, single daw si Steven. So palakpakan naman natin ang mga single dyan. Okay, Steven, kung ikaw ay isang gulay, bakit? Kung ikaw ay isang gulay, anong gulay ka at bakit?
Siguro kalabasa.
Kalabasa, pabilog yun. Bakit kalabasa?
Kasi masarap at masustansya.
Masarap at masustansya. Palakpakan po natin, hunk number 6, ang ating hunk na kalabasa. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, at dahil dyan, meron na po tayong resulta. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before I announce you our winner or winners for today, again, I would like to invite everybody on October 5, that's on next Saturday, magkita-kita po tayo dito for our 4th elimination round and of course, ang ating Christmas lighting. And to award our winners/winners for today, may I request Sir Jonathan Alegre, our high esteemed fashion designer, to award our winners. For the information of everybody, for some of you, alam niyo na po ito, pwedeng isa, pwedeng dalawa, pwedeng tatlo, or kahit ilan ang pwedeng manalo every weekend. Depende po ito sa desisyon ng judges. At pwede rin po silang pumili ng wild card. Yung wild card na yon ay maglalaban-laban kasama ang iba pang wild card ng mga nakaraan na week at sila ay maglalaban-laban for the final spots. Okay? So may chance pa rin naman sila. Alright!
This worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We gon' boogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We gon' drink drinks and take shots until we fall down like the roof on fire. Now baby, give a booty, nigga, take off all your clothes and like the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, I'm on fire. I tell her, baby,
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, eto na tayo. Kung last week ay meron tayong isang winner at isang wild card, this week mga kaibigan, meron tayong mananalo. Okay? Meron tayong mananalo. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, verified by our judges and our tabulators, ang ating winner for today ay si hunk number palakpakan natin kung sa tingin ninyo si hunk number 1, si hunk number 2, si hunk number 3, si hunk number 4, si hunk number 5, si hunk number 6. Alright, eto na. Ladies and gentlemen, our grand finalist for week number 3 is hunk number 4. Raymond Amorim. congratulations! At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos! Meron pa tayong isang winner! Ladies and gentlemen, our next grand finalist is home number 2, Jacob Navales. Yung binabantayan mo dyan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are giving more opportunities for all of you gentlemen. Hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos dahil meron pa tayong wild card. At ang ating wild card ay si Hawk number 5, Mark Boyd.
You never had. If you think I'm running out,
Again, pwede kang bumalik para sa ating wildcard round. Kalmahan mo ate. Dahil sa kanila, nakabenta ka. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Meron pa tayong isa pang wildcard. Sino sa tingin nyo ang isa pang wildcard? Hawk number 1, Alden Darwin Castro. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our week 3 winners and wildcards. To the rest of the gentlemen, maraming salamat, and we'll be seeing more of you in a bit. Or in the coming days, should I say. Once again, maraming salamat, Easy Time Recto, for joining us this afternoon. This is brought to you by Talents Manila. Once again, this has been your host, Felix Nayera. Say goodbye, God bless, and we'll see you all again on October 5.